Are you thinking of hiring on Fiverr for a gig, but you have no idea if that freelancer has experience? Hey everybody, my name is Marcella Dominguez. Thank you for watching this channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So once I've typed in my keyword and once I've filtered my results by the price that I'm willing to pay, whatever I think is reasonable for that given task, then I will see results for lots and lots and lots of gigs. So at that point, I will just message maybe 20 to 30 freelancers with the same message. So I will click on the gig, and then at the bottom it says you can ask the seller a question. So I will type in my question. I will say, this is my issue. I need this done within 2 days. How long will it take and what is your fee? And copy that message, and then I will send it to that seller. Now what you'll see is that you'll get a response from lots of people at once. Maybe you'll get a response from 10 within the next 20 minutes. And you'll start realizing by the responses that you're getting who you might match up with. Now I don't recommend that you hire somebody right away because sometimes the people who respond the fastest might not necessarily be the best match. So what I would do is I would go ahead and respond to whatever it is that they're asking you, or start a conversation with them and maybe ask them another question. You can gauge if English is an issue for you, then maybe you want to find one that has really great English and that you're able to communicate very clearly with. Perhaps that's not a priority for you, and what's more important is to gauge their experience. At the very least, they can understand what you're trying to do. I can give you an example. You know, in the past, sometimes people will say,
well, give me the credentials to your website and let me start making changes right away.
And maybe that makes you uncomfortable because you don't want somebody to be that aggressive. You want someone to expand and explain what the issue could be and how they're going to help you so that you can really get a grip on whether they do have WordPress knowledge. So gauging someone's experience or whatever criteria is important to you is something that you're going to have to deduct from the small little conversation that you have with them on Fiverr. But that is my number one strategy, is that you message as many sellers at once and then start a conversation with them, and then you can hire somebody within the next 3 hours. Make sure you watch this video, and it is really important, especially if you're planning on hiring somebody on Fiverr for graphic design work. You're going to own the copyright, or does Fiverr own the copyright? You need to understand that sort of stuff, especially if you're getting designs created like logos or anything that has to do with design. Make sure you catch that video. And if you're planning on hiring somebody on Fiverr, then make sure you tell me in the comments below what you are hiring for.
Interested in filing trademark applications with confidence? How about responding to office actions with confidence? If you are a legal professional or business owner who wants to expand his or her knowledge of trademarks and trademark filings, then make sure to secure your spot by scrolling down into the description below. A few spots are left, don't miss out.